Hello guys, how are you? Okay, in the last video we discussed about all-in-one migration in which we exported our WordPress website backup to our G Drive Google extension. Okay, so this is my new domain. Let me show you. For now, it's empty. Okay, there is nothing. It's so what we need to do. We need to import that backup which we imported in our last video. Okay, if you want to know how to how to export your WordPress backup to your Google account, then you need to see my last video. So again, we need to install both the plugin all-in-one WP migration and all-in-one WP migration G Drive extension. Okay, so we need to search, and after a little bit of scroll, we find our plugin which is all-in-one migration. Okay, we need to install that one. Okay, it's installed. We need to activate this. And now the second thing, we need to add our paid add-on of this plugin, okay, which is all-in-one Google Drive extension. Okay, I already purchased and download this in my, so you can also purchase from their main website. And now we have successfully installed our both plugin. Okay, let me show you. You can see these are only two plugin for now. So, and here is their dashboard. Now you can see we have again the same option: export, import, backup, and G Drive. So first of all, we need to connect our Google Drive account, Google Drive, with this same account in which last time we exported our Google account data. Okay, our website data. So we can click and we can give access. We need to link, and now we can link our last time I used my this account, so I can link. Okay, we need to give permission, and now this account is connected with our all-in-one plugin. So we can go to import, because first time we exported our all of our website data, so this time we need to import all of the data to our this domain. Okay, so we can click on import from, we need to select Google Drive. So this will open all of the folder in our Google Drive account. Okay, you can see. So last time you need to remember in which domain your data is exported. So last time we used our websites which is artist gallery. Okay, and you can see 7 hour ago this this backup was exported successfully. So we can select, and now we have the option to import. So I can, okay, again, sorry, they are asking to update our plugin. So we must need to update our plugin. Okay, I think it's already updated. Let me check for update. Update now. Okay, it's successfully updated. So let's go back and just try again. Okay, import from Google Drive, and now we need to select our this backup which we exported 7 hours ago. Okay, now this backup is going to import to our website. Okay, now like you will see, like in 2 or 3 minutes everything will import successfully. For now it's empty, so after 2 or 3 minutes later you will see we have a complete websites which we exported few hours ago. Okay. And you need to remember one thing. Like for now, our website credential are different. Okay. So when we import this backup successfully, after that our website credential automatically updated. Okay. So you need to use the credential for your old website from where you exported your backup. Okay. So this point is very important, because when the backup will install successfully, you will be logged out automatically. After that, they will ask you to log in again, and then this time you need to log in with your credential of your other website from where you taken the backup. I hope you understand this. So just 1 minute more, then you will see. For now, all of the backup is downloading from our Google account to our this website. Okay. You can see all of our backup is downloaded. Now we need to proceed. Okay, now it's preparing to install. It's restoring all of the WordPress file. The good thing is you can use that backup to import to unlimited website. Okay, there is no limitation. So you can make one website and you can duplicate to many other websites without the need of any technical knowledge. You can see it's successfully imported. Now we can refresh our website and you can see, first of all, you can see it's like, now I log out. I log out, so I need to refresh and see how it looks. Okay, you can see the complete website is imported successfully. Okay, it's just taking a little bit time first time, but almost everything successfully added. Okay, you can see. Thank you. I hope you like my work and please subscribe this channel.